for me that to the friends that I like genuinely treating them as a friend, and also my family can even tell me what's really going on. I don't know why. I really don't know why. Even my friends, real friends, can even tell me what's really going on. Even my family cannot tell even what's really going on. Take note, guys, it's my real family. I'm the one who give them the life, not life. I mean, I'm the one who support them. I'm the one sacrifice my teenagers' life to give them comfortable house, to let them experience what life is, and still fighting for my dreams, for their dreams, so that my next generation of my family will never be poor again, you know. And it's really painful for me that even my family cannot even tell me the truth, you know. Then I asked also, are we still in the earth? I was still in the I was are we still in the earth, or are we still, or with we're in the other earth, or what is this one? Like my family changed. My family changed suddenly. Like I said, that don't use my family against me. It's because they disrespect me. Even my nieces, right? I'm the one who provide them. I'm the one who who work so that I can give them a comfortable life, and suddenly my real family flip. Why, you know? And also the friends that I treat genuinely, like I my feelings being, I treat them genuinely a friend. I treat them. It's hard for me to talk in English sometimes, guys. Bear with me.